Hi guys, finally I fixed it. Okay, so after replacing the door boot seal of our Samsung front load washer, still leaking water everywhere, especially when it's filling up. It's filling up. So if there's soap, there's soapy water. If it's rinsing, it's water. Okay, so first time I opened this and I replaced the bearing at the back. When I put this back, this rubber hose, I put it all the way here. I thought this stops it, but look at the ridges. This prevents a complete seal. So I watched the video of another door boot installation, and I realized I put the hose all the way here. So I'm making this video to help other people that made the same mistake as I did. Okay, so don't put your rubber hose, inlet hose, all the way down here, because this ridges will make it leak no matter what. I'm losing my mind. I can't find the leak. Even if you spray this with stuff like sealant, flex seal, and everything, it will still leak. Make sure it's only up to here before the ridges. And for good measure, I use a zip tie. So I am confident this fixes it, because I did a cycle before opening this up and traced the water, and sure enough the water was coming here because this hose I installed it wrong, and it was installed all the way down here. I thought this will match and fill the gap, but no, this ridges prevents a complete seal from the hose and the boot. So now, without testing this, I am confident this is the solution, because I installed this wrong. This was all the way down here and water was leaking here. Anyway, just a quick video update on our washing machine leaking. Nothing is leaking down at the bottom. There's no debris here at the filter. The water pump is working. There's no leak during the drain period, just when the fill. So I suspected really the water on this side. And plus this side was wet. Okay. So that's it guys. Hopefully this helps. I made a boo-boo. Okay. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.